And now, the test of the rainproofing is underway. Got a long weekend coming up, mostly dry, I hope. See if I can get the mansion fit for human habitation. Yes. Yes. Obviously, it's not quite ready. But that's what this long weekend is for. I've had 2 stalkers in the last 2 weeks. One of them turned up to my place of work, pretending to look for a job. And the other one came round last night, wanted to shake my hand before confessing that he'd looked up my number plate on the DVLA government website to confirm that I had tax and MOT. What a tard. Who the hell does that? I mean, they're out there and there's more than one. Yeah, he's got a flea behind his ear. Sad. But for the rest of you, the lovely, decent people who would actually ask me for an invite before popping round, yeah, this long weekend is for you when I get this van ready to move into, and hopefully moves under its own power. Oh yeah, kind of important. Did I waterproof the skylight? Yes, I did. Oh yeah, the cliffhanger in the previous episode. It didn't start, but I haven't changed out the alternator or the starter or anything like that. I've just left the solar panel to charge up the starter battery, and it's up to 12.4 volts. Check for neutral. Glow plugs out, come on, and start. Right, so with the current setup, it requires a starting voltage of 12.4. That's interesting. See how much it requires after I've swapped the parts over. Oh yeah, nice touch. Warm white, looks like old school. That's the fog light, nice. That clearance light is dud. That one's okay, bit dim. And that's your regular tail lights, unless there's supposed to be a fog light there that isn't going. There is a lot left to do, and to my colleague Nev, yeah, I didn't post on Friday, get over it. Tony's been round with the ladder. Still got it. That should get rid of some of the new subscribers who think this is a mainstream motorhome channel. It might even have to be a 4-layer clothing day today, of which 3 would be overcoats. And I have found all of my spare fake brickwork to recover one of the walls where the wallpaper was torn off by London Living. Oh no, it's supposed to be a dry weekend. Look, I know I've never believed in you, but can you just for once give me a break, you omnipotent, sadistic, negligent psycho? I think that counts as a prayer. Yeah, I really need to clean that dashboard. It's getting a bit out of hand. But for now, lucky dip, this better be a spoon. Oh yeah. Never mind, I'll just watch Elon Musk's chat with Tucker Carlson, which I found on BitChute. He goes all in. Yeah, I'll just carry on watching that while I have my breakfast. Well, it's supposed to dry up this afternoon, but the weather forecast has been extremely inaccurate recently, and it might depend on jet fuel additives. Right, first job will be, I think, starter motor. And then just, I've also got an alternator here. And I think there's a solenoid here as well. Yes. The solenoid. Autumn is really starting to turn now. I mean, obviously I'm up against 2 hard deadlines here. 1, it's going to start getting cold soon. 2, the road tax expires on packet in stand at the beginning of November, so it'll have to be gone by then. Looks like it'll be inside the van work today for a bit. Maybe if it dries up tomorrow, do the engine work. But obviously what I want it by the end of this weekend is the mansion at a state where it starts, runs, and I can turn it off and it'll start again, and I can sleep in there without it raining on the bed. Seems like a simple request. While I was sat in the van during the rain, I put all the clips I've got together. Thought maybe I can pump a new video out. It's only 7.5 minutes. Only halfway in to this episode. Oh, I got these Bluetooth headphones and I can listen to my Elon Musk podcast while cleaning out packet in stand. Now, Susie Gallagher in Jersey loves a good van tidy. And hello, Ian. Bet there's a lot of rubbish in the mansion as well. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, hello, that's healthy. Will it start? Right, fan off, wipers off, lights off, go. Glow plugs, wait. Off. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. So that's 2 days in a row now that I've been able to start it, let it run, stop it, and then start it again. And I still haven't even changed the components over yet. I mean, that's pretty rubbish for an alternator. It's almost the whole volt, 0.9 volts beneath what it should be. Oh, hello. Sun's coming out to play. No. So I'm going to need insulation, fake brickwork, a load of tools and glues, change over the solar charge controller. The default mode is what I want. And even the old battery that was in here is up to a healthy 12.6. So it could be my first leisure battery. Or maybe I could swap it over with a leisure battery. Sometimes I can get so high, I can see blue skies while others see grey. Well, the weather's really picked up now. No more excuses. Crack on. Next job, waterproof membrane, brick wallpaper, duct tape, spray adhesive. Plenty more backup glue. Ooh, and something to cut the wallpaper with. Right, it seems to have dried out nicely. Ho, 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 ho. A little bit more to go, like all of it. Ho, 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 ho. So you can probably tell by the last two clips that I've been chilling out pretty hard. I put the cushion back in, put the table out, and I've just been enjoying watching the sun past the clouds through the purple tinted window. And if that's the end of the episode, well, good boy, I love you all, no fighting, and you skins. Ooh, and that Pop's Welsh Dave ready for the weekend. Cheers, our day.
Llaniau dau bach.